Really? How are you going to get out? What are you doing? You're stuck. What did you do? Get out. You are not even going to be able to get out of there. Logan! Logan! You're not going to be able to get out, are you? Oh my God. Get out. Well, what are you going to do? What are you doing? Try to get out again.